What's up everybody, it's your man Harris here, and today I'm going to show you how to use the ForEach method in JavaScript. For this tutorial, I've got an array of 10 numbers, 1 through 10, and we are going to go through that array using the ForEach method to display each number to the screen, just like here. Now, I've got this code linked in the description, so feel free to download it and follow along. Now, let's take a quick look at our JavaScript. We have this script tag right here. So first, we're going to create a variable called answer and assign it to the HTML element with the ID answer. If we look up at our HTML, we've got this p tag up here with the ID answer. So our content is going to go within this p tag. Now let's create our array. We're going to create an array called elements, and we're going to place the numbers 1 through 10 inside of that array. Now we're going to run the ForEach method on that array to display each number onto the screen. Now we're going to start by saying elements, which will point to our array, dot ForEach, and within the parentheses we're going to name each item in the array as element. So element will refer to each item in the array. And we're going to run an arrow function on each element that says take answer, so that p tag that we have up here, take answer and take its text content and append this plus sign and equals, append the element, so the item, in this case the first item, in the array, plus a empty space. So if you look over on the right hand side of the screen, we have our item and then we have an empty space. Now this ForEach method will run on every single item in the array. So it'll start with the first item and it will identify that as element, and when it's done running its function, it will go to the second item and now that will be element, and it will run its function, and it will keep doing this until it reaches the end of the array. So for example, if we add another item to our array and we just call it test, it's just a string called test, and we save the file and we refresh the page, we will now have test as our answer. It will be part of it because that ForEach method will run it on every item in the array. Anyway, that's how you use the ForEach method in JavaScript. It's very simple. Now, make sure you guys check out our sponsor, invoicebell.app, where you can create free invoices, estimates, and quotes. You can accept payments from your customers and create PDFs. It's got a very easy to use template, and it's free to create an account. So make sure you guys check it out at invoicebell.app. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a great night.